Welcome back everybody. This is our menu for today. I've never cooked anything like this before, but we're gonna try. Everything is about experiencing and discovering, yeah? So I have here pre-boiled pork. I have to boil it because I need to get rid of some nutrients that I don't really need for my health. And over here is exotic herbs, which is called El Shotsia. And in my dialect we call it Yongba or Lomba, and it's like a mint family. And this is ginger, garlic, spring onions, and some Thai chilies, fresh chilies, and chayote. These are from the metro. And I have here some packet of bamboo shoots. These are not fresh, and a quarter of tomato. No oil today, no chili powder today. We're just gonna cook this way. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. I'm really excited. First, we're gonna start adding the pork, bamboo shoots, chayote, tomato, and fresh chilies. The rest of the herbs we're gonna add it later. Now let's add some water. There you go. And we will just boil this. So the chilies and the tomatoes are cooked. We're gonna take it out, remove it, and then mashed up everything and put it back. We'll add the exotic herbs, salt to taste. Now we're gonna cook this until the pork is tender and the water is reduced. The pork is cooked. Now let's add our ginger and garlic. And cook this for another 5 minutes. Finish off with some scallions. And our pork is ready. It's time to eat. We're so hungry. Hey guys.
Hello,
welcome back to another mukbang. We are done cooking. Woo, woo, woo. That was a lot of work, but
yeah, it's paid out.
Yep. That's why you have good food, right?
Oh yeah.
So everything is really hot. Let me try. This is something that I've never cooked before. Pork cooked in bamboo shoot and chayote, but just boiled with lots of spices and herbs.
See, this is how my plate looks like.
Yeah, we have a boiled veggies there, the zucchini today, and this is my plate. Lots of bamboo shoot.
And of course.
Lettuce salad.
Of course.
Without that, my husband
will die.
So, without further ado, let's just start eating, yeah, honey?
Yes.
Can I give you more bamboo shoot, please?
Yes, if I can give you the skin from the from the pig.
Okay. Let's start eating.
Well,
very hungry. We didn't eat lunch except those what do you call that? Fast food. Fast food, baby. Salads and sandwiches. Itadakimasu.
What's that?
Bon appetit.
Ah, bon appetit, yeah. Taste is beautiful, baby.
So with so much difficulty we found pork belly today. Not difficulty, but after a long time. We don't find pork belly everywhere.
Yeah. Because people use it here for barbecue and they never leave the pork belly in the state that she likes. They always cut it in thin slices.
Baby, can you give me one napkin, please?
Of course, my love.
Thank you. This flavor is new for my husband.
Which one?
The this thing.
Oh, never mind.
What's the salad? Someone said I miss your husband eating big chunks of tomato.
Wait for the season.
It's coming soon.
I'll be the tomato eater.
Give me that skin, baby.
And I have a puppy occupation here. They're just sitting wherever they want in the kitchen. Well.
Reminds me of home.
Reminds me of her home. How is the soup?
Ah, so good.
Give me one swirl.
You're gonna. This will cure coughing. Blah blah blah. Coughing and sinus. They say that this actually good for tonsil. So one of my cousin sisters, I remember she always eat this.
Yeah? Sorry, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you. Could have been more perfect. The things that I don't like, she loves. And otherwise. Perfect.
Perfect combination.
Yes.
Haugen mẹ. 좀 나 덩버시. Yam hawe. 아주 green chili 하프디 flavor도 동안 버네. You need anything? My husband will not eat lots of meat, as you all know that he don't like meat.
Not so much. After you start cooking for me, baby, I could not eat even the meat from the grill so much. My stomach is smaller, which is good. I could easily before eat a kilo of meat and survive. Nah? Highly unlikely.
How'd you go? Mo banda jak sana di ma book na bane. Ma koy jak to.
And please check the Instagram, which is Apei,
Yes,
and the
please.
other channel, which is my life in Serbia, where you can see where we get all of this stuff and a lot of other information here. That's good for you to know. So the links are down below, so check it out, guys.
Please check it out, guys.
Yeah, try it. Please check it out, guys.
Most of the recipes that I took here, I put it on Instagram, like just 1 minute video. All the recipes, written recipes. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
You okay? I'm just sad, baby, that I was not born in Asia.
Why, baby?
For food. I mean, here food is good,
But you get to eat all these things now.
but it's not variety. It is everything that you can imagine. Like,
You know why you say that? Because you like vegetables.
yeah.
And Asian eats lots of vegetables.
Yeah. Spicy, eh? How is it going to you, baby?
So good.
Yeah?
This soup is spicy, but it tastes like it's gonna be so good if you have fever or cough. Do you want that?
Yeah. Who would say no?
Hey, Pa. I feel good. Yeah, evening. 리시나의 속살이.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
속살이 어디야? 나 어디 있나?
I ate one. Well, this is not the first time I'm eating this, I think.
Maybe yesterday?
Or maybe. I remember somewhere back in the mind that you explained me how to eat it.
I think once I brought... No. Oh, maybe I did?
What's it called?
In Manipur dialect, it's called lomba. In Tangkul, we call it yongpa. In my village dialect, we call it shoksari. I don't know what that even means.
Shoksari.
Yeah. 내 먹어. I was so hungry.
Good. The dinner is a little bit earlier. Oh, today, baby, I have to. Maybe it's all common for you guys, but I've never seen a long grain rice.
Yeah.
You have to show it to me on Google Images. Like, wow. All the time she's talking about the rice. Oh, this is not good. I was like, what?
Yeah.
And then when she showed me today pictures, now I understand the bad feeling that you have, baby.
You cannot just eat rice just because you eat rice, you know? There's a type of rice. And every rice goes well with every type of dishes. Stew or curry that you cook, you know? It varies like that when it comes to rice. Soft rice is very important for me because I can't eat hard rice. Just can't. It's hard for me. She lomba is how do. Lomba she shan thong ba da shu, oksha thong ba da shu, yen thong ba da shu. Don't have any. What do we call that? Gangshu da shu how ga da ba ma le. Adi yam pa me shi de. This is very homely for me, baby. This
Yeah?
yes, herbs, yeah. I'm gonna try to plant the seeds this year. Let's see, huh? Hopefully. 참 잘해. 두누주 잘해. 자기 아무나 아무도. Are you okay?
Oh yeah.
You didn't finish the salad today.
Oh, yeah. I will.
Really? I know I add less dressing because it's salty, honey. That's why. I'm sorry. It will taste better if the dressing is more. Yep, nungairko. Noi numagpo. Busy Thanksday, everybody. Thank you so much, everybody, for always supporting us. We came back after such a long time, but you guys are always there. We are beyond grateful. Really, really grateful. Not just watching our videos, but always sending us all those good thoughts and prayers and always thinking about us. That means a lot. More than anything.
It's a tremendous help.
Yeah. We're gonna end the mukbang here today. If you like this recipe or this mukbang, or if you have any other suggestion, please comment down below and let us know what you think. And as usual, we will see you again in our next mukbang. And please watch our vlog. We just make a vlog today. We don't know whether this one is gonna come out before or the vlog. But please keep following us, and then if you don't have Instagram, please open up Instagram and follow us. It's very interesting. There's so much to learn. A lot not to learn, but there's a lot to learn too.
A lot to see.
Yeah. So we will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Bye. Have a great day.